Hi there guys, welcome to another Ross Perry Productions video. Within this video I'm going to show you how to select the map mode on an MV Agusta F3. This is an 800 model, but it's pretty similar across the whole range. So come over to the riding position. Just going to turn the ignition on one click. Now I am going to have to start the motorbike and it's quite loud, so I'll just briefly tell you before. So this is our engine map mode indicator. So we're currently in normal mode, and over on the starter button you'll notice it actually says map on it, so the starter button doubles up as a map selection button. So start the bike. As I say, we're currently in normal mode. Hold the button in and you'll notice the map selector start flashing. Press again, that's rain mode, again sports mode, again custom mode. So if we take it to sports mode, leave it there for 3 seconds. Once it stops flashing, we're now in sports mode. To put it back to normal, press it in again, press twice till the end comes up. Wait till it stops flashing now. That's now in normal mode. If you found this video helpful, please give me the thumbs up and subscribe to my channel.